Hello everyone and welcome back to the Keto Moses channel. Happy holidays. I know it's been a crazy cold weekend for the north, as I do live up north, and we had a giant freaking storm. It made it so difficult. Power went out a couple times, but you know what? It's awesome. Everything's been back to normal since yesterday. I got into the market again yesterday, so I'm here to make a video today, and we're going to talk about MYRO, because shit is just popping off, and we need to figure out what happened. What does the TA look like? What is the market telling us from here? Because here's some things we know right off the bat. This bad boy TA-wise shows that it had a huge just drive up. Like, that was basically the trend it was following. And if we were going to stick to those little channels, it broke it twice. It did break it down, and now look, it looks like it re-hit resistance, you could say, if we use those lines. And if we're going to use the straight lines method still, we're showing that maybe these are the two channels. I'm going to probably give it to this one. It's the easiest number. And if we're looking at that way, right now we're sitting on a 20% channel. And remember, it's crypto, and it's also meme tokens. So we are roughly at a 25% channel. Every buy could be a 20% move, 25% move, which is cool because that's meme tokens. But we're at $150 million market cap with a 1.9 million liquidity. So that would be a little bit under maybe 3.5%. That gives us, 0.13%. 1.3%. Yeah, so we're at about 1.3% of liquidity to the total market cap, which is a little bit stressful. But here's the one thing. It hit 22,000 holders. And here's the thing, you guys. The reason this shit is crazy and why people are going crazy is because if you don't know, MYRO is one of the first on the Solana network. So that basically means, you guys, that Solana tokens can hit 100 million. It might be able to hit 200 million, and we're trying to get it to 1 billion, I think, as a community, right? If the whole community gets a Solana token to 1 billion, then that means the ETH network versus the Solana network, it's okay. Either way, you're going to be able to hit 1,000x somewhere, somehow, right? Because that's the goal. So if you think about it that way, that means Solana's here to stay. That also means, you guys, that we could hit $1,000 freaking Solana. Because that's insane to think about. Every time a meme token gets higher and higher and higher, the higher market cap top it hits out, the more likely Solana is to grow and stay, because then more people will enter the market and more people will trade it. So that's kind of the best way to think about it. And the more people that need Solana, the more likely we are to move the market positive for it, right? The more people that use it, transact it, the higher the price goes. So, this is crazy. This means that the market is shifting. That means that there is liquidity entering the meme tokens. And that means that if this thing can hit 200 million, I'm pretty sure it did yesterday. I mean, if you think about it, from yesterday to now, we're only down 20%. We probably hit 200 million. Can we hit 250? Can we hit 300? TA-wise, I'm nervous. I'm nervous, community, don't hate me. But if you look at this trend line here, let's make this one white. Okay, if we look at the white trend line, right, that was resistance, or support, sorry, and then it became resistance right here. That's what did it, right? So with that becoming the new resistance, I'm a little nervous. If this was here's the thing, it did it again, right? So if it if it has one more run up, and it makes it to here and does it again, oh yeah, we're going down. But then that would have also meant that it made a higher high. Another thing too, this did make a higher high. Here to here became the next higher high. So there is probability it can bounce back up to 200 million, maybe 250 million. And then think about that as you're in this or playing, right? If you get it now and it does make it back up to 200 million, you will have made roughly 25% of your money. So you need this thing to get roughly here for you to make that 25%. And then I don't know if there are. So I don't know the buy and sell tax. If anybody does know, please comment it below. Let's see what it says for ETH. I just want to see. Yeah. Damn. I guess it doesn't work. Just hope. Hope's right. It doesn't say in any of them. That's okay. That's okay. Just keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. I personally am not gonna jump in right now. I'm gonna wait and see what happens. I'm gonna see if it breaks this channel, or if here's what I think. I think if it breaks this channel, I actually will go in for an entry because it doesn't have too far to hit the top, but I'll have a very tight stop loss, or I'll just put in a little bit of like I'll take a $300 risk, so small that it's not too big, right? Where if this thing doesn't make it past here, I will not enter. I will not enter. I will wait for the market to recorrect itself, find its new stopping point, and then plan my new entry. That's how I will play this one today. What I am going to also try to do today is get you guys out another video the minute I can. I need to make one on some of these bigger tokens because I have been watching them, and I am planning to day trade them today, tomorrow, the remainder of the week. All right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, do me a favor. Please click that subscribe if you are not. And I will get you guys the best content I can on meme tokens. And any of this information I can share, I'll do my best. Thanks, everyone.